It's G from Maiden Murray, catching up with Tony Lister from Remax Elite Inverness. He was out in Las Vegas recently at a big international estate agents conference. What takeaways did you get from that conference?
Well, where do I start? Remax conventions are they blow your mind away. There's motivational speakers. There's people that go into the whole psychology of understanding how people are thinking when they're looking to buy a house. And then there's the big tech firms. We've been looking at 360 tours. We're struggling to come to terms with the software. The company that made the camera are out there, and before you know it, they've given us an instant overview of their software. And they also arranged for someone to come on and do some video with me over the internet once I arrived back home to give me a more thorough grounding of their software. And the results are out there, folks. Check out our listings. Many of our clients now have taken up the offer of a virtual tour of their property, which is in with our normal marketing fee. We're not charging any extra for that, G.
And I'll tell you what, it's good that you went when you went.
Yeah. We wanted to launch this 6 months ago when we felt that it was important because people do things at the touch of a button. Now, the motivation will be you can view a property from the safety of your own armchair, from the comfort of your own armchair.
The world is changing and some of the things are actually for the better.
I think we'll look back 6 months from now, a year from now, maybe 2 years from now, and we'll see that, technology moved on because of what's happening just now. And we'll maybe be grateful that what happened, even though just now it feels pretty horrific.
Yeah, I believe that when there's pressure on people to change, they can actually turn it to their advantage. And I've been trying to get people onto the technological bandwagon, saying you can reach out and connect with people here. And it's very interesting, suddenly in the space of a week, watching people who would never have gone on Zoom before or gone on Skype before, actually having to get into the technology and learn how it works.
I totally agree with you. And you know what? I think that once everything's died down, those people are going to stay on those platforms. They'll have seen the benefit. I mean, it's too easy to say, oh, no, I don't like how I look or I don't like the way I sound. Who likes the sound of their own voice when they hear it played back to them?
Yep.
But does that matter? If you've got a message to get out there and you've got a service to provide, you don't win any awards by hiding what you do. You succeed by making sure as many people as possible know about what you're doing. And you're absolutely right. A professional doesn't stick to one or two tools. He uses every tool in his toolbox to make sure he gets the result that he's being paid to achieve.
Great point.